Hello, this is Russell with Zen Rent Property Management, and today we're here at our listing at 25 South Quinn, Unit 32. This is in Mesa, Arizona. This is a gated community with a community pool, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,200 square feet, and it's not to be missed. Come take a look. Well, this concludes a tour of our Quinn property. We hope you enjoyed it. To come take a look or to apply, visit us online at zenrentpm.com. Click on this listing or give us a call, 855-ZENRENT, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.